Hello everyone, welcome back to Palm Laguna. My name is Nana Kwame Agyman James Donkor. Today I'm on my construction site and I want to take you with me. We are not finished yet, but we just started. Usually we take you to the construction site when everything is finished, but today I took my time and I want to show you how it looks like when we came into the game. So this site here, the client want to have something that, as I say, not common to everyone. So we have here a very, very nice plot of site, almost 3 acres. And we are going to start to build the first house over here. So the idea is, when people come to rent this place here, they're gonna have a private space, walking way to the beach side to enjoy themselves. So let me show you a little bit about the place here. So usually we are now in the raining season, so all the beach resorts are not well visited, but it's okay for us for the development construction, because this is a time where we pull up our construction so that we can build, and then as soon as the rain season is over, people can come and enjoy themselves. So I want to take you with me to the beach side. So here again, let me show you the place here. So imagine you come here with your family or friends to enjoy, for enjoyment. The house is going to be here. It's going to be 1 bedroom, 80 square meters. A good, huge place for people who want to come and relax. Normally the normal houses for beachside holiday trip is less than 80 square meters. But here we want to do a place that you come here, you feel comfortable, that you have a lot of space with your family or your friends to enjoy yourself. So the idea is, in the long run, we're going to put more construction here, more buildings, maybe 6 or 8, but we want to start with the one house, and then soon we'll go to build the others. All right, so let me show you the beach side. So of course, everything here, soon we're gonna have a nice walkway to the beach side. So and even here in the front, we have a nice coconut trees here. So the idea is here, of course, when you come, I might have to cut 2, 3, let's say 3, 1, 2, 3, coconut trees, to cut them off and to create a nice sitting area here, so that in the evening you can come here, you can sit here with your family and then maybe enjoy music, a small fire space. So that you can sit and relax from the whole city noise. Right, here we are. Here on this side here, there's gonna be something that, you know, you can come out, and then we're gonna create a small bar. You can come here and have your drinks. So we come here from this side. And you can come and enjoy. Okay, there are already 2 people here enjoying themselves. So the whole place is nearly untouched for now, which is very, very nice. We don't want to overbuild this place here, but just gonna add some nice sitting areas here, some lounges where you can hear music, you can dance, and then over there, over here, for enjoyment. Yeah. So of course, we're gonna clean up here the whole beach side. Oh, it feels so good to be here, away from Accra, the whole noise. As you can see, the water is very rough today, but this might be the place where you actually want to sit and want to enjoy yourself. All right. Yeah, so the idea is, of course, after you visit to the beach, you might be completely full of sand. So we're gonna have an outside shower here. Before you go into the rooms. So that you can sit on the terrace, on the top, enjoy the breeze. You order your food will come, and then you enjoy yourself. And then of course we're gonna have high-speed internet here. I mean, since Elon Musk is pushing his internet, we're gonna have some of them here. So we're gonna fast internet. So imagine you are in the IT business and you want to escape from Accra, you want to come here. And then of course you can bring your laptop. All you need is access to internet and be able to stay in a wonderful environment, relaxing area. So here again, so we're gonna create a walkthrough here, a walkway, so that you can walk nicely to your side. Also the land here, we have a little bit slopey on the land, which is fine. Because later on you can sit on the top of the terrace. And then let me show you the beach view again. Stay right here. And it's also like a small ecosystem for its own. You know, we don't have a wall here. I don't like this big walls. We're gonna create something by wooden, like a bamboo or something. And then the whole place, you will be like completely welcomed by the palm trees, by cashew trees. And we're gonna plant a lot of plants here. Yes, and as I say, I just want to take you with me to the construction site. And of course, in the next coming weeks and months, you're gonna see more development here. But today is just like for yourself to see how Palm Laguna, how we go to the site and how we deliver it. It's gonna be nice, I love it. So yeah, this is for the first day. And see you soon, everybody. Again, my name is Nana Kwame Agyman James Donkor. I'm CEO of Palm Laguna Limited. And today, I was showing you one of our sites. See you soon, and you're welcome to follow us. All right.